Ever feel like you're playing phone tag with your clients, juggling appointment requests across emails, texts, and maybe even sticky notes? It's a chaotic dance, isn't it? A dance that eats up your precious time, the very resource you need to actually do the work you love. Think about it. How many hours a week do you spend just managing your schedule? Answering inquiries about availability, confirming appointments, sending reminders. It all adds up. And what about those no-shows? The silent killers of your productivity and revenue. Now, imagine a world where all that friction disappears. A world where your clients can book appointments effortlessly, where your schedule is always up to date, and where reminders go out automatically. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's where Setmore steps in. It's more than just a calendar. It's a comprehensive scheduling solution designed to streamline your booking process, free up your time, and ultimately, help your business thrive. So, how exactly does Setmore work its magic? Let's dive in and explore the key features that make it such a game-changer for businesses of all sizes. At its core, Setmore provides you with a customizable online booking page. Think of it as your virtual receptionist, available 24/7. You can embed this page directly onto your website, share it via social media, or even send it as a direct link to your clients. What happens when a client clicks on that link? They're greeted with a professional-looking page showcasing your services, your team members, if applicable, and your real-time availability. They can easily select the service they need, choose a date and time that works for them, and book their appointment in just a few clicks. No more back-and-forth emails or frustrating phone calls. It's instant, convenient, and empowers your clients to take control of their scheduling. But Setmore is more than just a pretty booking page. Behind the scenes, it's a powerful engine that keeps your schedule organized and running smoothly. Once an appointment is booked, it automatically syncs with your calendar, whether you use Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, or Apple Calendar. This means you always have a clear and up-to-date view of your appointments, eliminating the risk of double bookings or missed appointments. And speaking of missed appointments, Setmore has you covered there too. Its automated reminder system sends out email and SMS reminders to your clients before their scheduled appointment. You can customize the timing and content of these reminders, significantly reducing no-shows and ensuring a more predictable flow for your business. Now, let's talk about customization. Setmore understands that every business is unique, and that's why it offers a wide range of customization options. You can personalize your booking page with your logo and brand colors, creating a seamless extension of your online presence. You can also tailor your services, set your pricing, manage your team schedules and availability, and even create custom booking forms to collect the specific information you need from your clients. For businesses with multiple team members, Setmore offers robust team management features. You can create individual profiles for each team member, assign specific services to them, and manage their individual availability. This is particularly useful for salons, spas, clinics, and any business where clients might want to book with a specific person. Setmore ensures that the right appointments go to the right team members, simplifying your internal organization. Beyond the core scheduling features, Setmore also offers a suite of integrations to further enhance your workflow. You can connect it with popular payment processors like Stripe and Square, allowing you to collect payments at the time of booking or after the service is rendered. This streamlines your payment process and improves your cash flow. Furthermore, Setmore integrates with various marketing and CRM tools, helping you manage your customer relationships and track your marketing efforts. Imagine automatically adding new clients who book through Setmore to your email marketing list. It's all possible with these seamless integrations. And for those who are always on the go, Setmore offers a mobile app for both iOS and Android devices. This allows you to manage your schedule, view appointments, and communicate with clients directly from your smartphone or tablet. Whether you're in the office or out in the field, you have complete control over your schedule at your fingertips. Think about the impact this could have on your business. More bookings because it's easier for clients. Fewer no-shows thanks to automated reminders. Less time spent on administrative tasks, freeing you up to focus on what you do best. Improved cash flow with integrated payments. And a more professional and organized image for your brand. Setmore isn't just about scheduling appointments. It's about reclaiming your time, enhancing your efficiency, and ultimately, growing your business. It's about moving away from the chaos of manual scheduling and embracing a streamlined, automated system that works for you and your clients. It's about transforming that frustrating dance of appointment management into a smooth and seamless experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.